Hello. I hope these wireless headset works. I'm gonna take this one out because then I can't hear myself. So, okay, now I can hear myself. My hair looks funny always, but let's see, a little update. Let's see, I'm wearing my Pause for a Cause doggy walk uh, that I did last weekend. That was super duper fun and raise money for cancer. And let's see. Oh, I want to give an update on going to the gym. Oh my gosh, I'm really hot right now. Take this off. Um, so right before COVID struck all of us in March 2020, right before that, like early in March, I caught a really bad cold. And I was going to my gym, which was 24 Hour Fitness, which is now gone from my town because they suck. They were bankrupt for years, and they had been doing all kinds of weird things, changing their hours, not being 24 hours anymore, doing all this stupid stuff, trying to save money. So after COVID hit, 3 months after, they left my town. They just ran out of their lease, left in the middle of the night, didn't tell their employees, didn't tell their members, and left. So, but before that, in March, before the shutdown, I got a really bad cold. And I was really tired of going of my 24-hour fitness because it was not clean. Their cleaning sucked. I used to watch them clean because I'd go like at midnight and I saw the cleaning crew and they were great, but they were only there like a couple hours because I'm sure that's all 24 hours would pay them for was a couple hours and they had to clean the whole place. It was huge gym too. And the place was filthy. It was disgusting sometimes. I mean, it was pretty clean, but then it was not. I mean, it's hard to describe. Uh, like the hidden areas were disgusting. I'm not even going to tell some of the stories because they're gross. So, I was sick of how gross it had become and unclean, and I was sure I got a cold there, and I didn't want to go back because it was so disgusting. And then, well, I had my cold, and then COVID hit, the gym shut down, and I never went back. um, so COVID came, and the gyms were shut for a while, and then when they reopened, I didn't want to go. I didn't feel it was good to go to the gym during COVID with COVID germs, virus. And so I was like, well, I'll join a new gym when coronavirus is over, you know. Well, coronavirus has not been over. It's now May 2022. I wish my hair was acting right. And we're still in coronavirus, and it's still really bad. But now I've had the vaccines, I've had 2 boosters. You know, what more can you do? I wear a mask in indoor places. I mostly hang out in outdoor, walking my dog and socializing outdoors. Um, I've been working by telehealth because I really would feel terrible if something happened to one of my clients by being indoors, working in my office. So I've kept my office, but I've worked from home. It's just, I'm never sure what to do, as we all are not sure what to do about living our lives again with the pandemic. It's really tough. So anyway, it was staying a really rainy, cold spring here in Washington State, United States of America. And I was sick of the rain and running in the rain. So I finally broke down and joined a gym. I joined Planet Fitness, which had just been built when the pandemic um, hit. It was just, I don't even know if it was finished yet. It was being built in my town by my house. So I had it on my list of things to do for a few years, couple of years, like join the gym, join the gym. But coronavirus, no, I didn't want to join the gym. And then it was nice out, so I didn't want to join the gym. So, well, finally I decided to join the gym. So I finally joined the gym, and I went, Tuesday for the second time. So I went the first time, I think a week or two before that when I joined, when it was miserable outside. And it was kind of fun going to the gym again. It was really weird. I wore my mask. Other people did not. Most other people did not. So I stuck to the weight area instead of the cardio area. It was around lunchtime, so it was really crowded. But I had fun playing around at the gym again. Um, it's surprising how much strength and muscles I have lost over the years because of not going to the gym regularly like I used to. And but it made me motivated to, sorry, I had something on my lip, to want to get those muscles back. Then a week later, I did not go to the gym. And then this last Tuesday was my weight workout day, which I had been doing a little bit at home, not too much. And I decided to go to the gym for my weight workout day. So I went to the gym. I was really proud of myself. And gosh, there's so much I have forgotten. Like, I no longer know what clothes I want to wear at the gym. I used to have everything down. Clothes, music, equipment to bring, my whole routine. But it's been so long. So I wore my clothes I used to wear to the gym, my bike shorts, and that are not real bike shorts. They're just workout shorts, but they're kind of built like that. And a tank top. I found my old iPod. I had that I wear on my arm. I had plugged it in to get the batteries up. What else? Oh, they don't let you put a gym bag on the floor, so I have to uh, I'm trying to figure out what new gym bag to take, what locker. I found a lock for that I have in the house, um, and then water. I used to carry around water in my water container, but with COVID, I don't feel comfortable like raising my mask, drinking water. I don't feel comfortable having my water where you drink exposed around COVID indoors. So I just decided not to drink water while I worked out. Wait till I'm done. I kept my mask on. But the weird thing is, so I played around with more weights this time, different weights, because the place is huge. I'm not too crazy about the kind of machines they have, and the equipment. I mean, it's new, which is nice, but they don't have just free barbells to do, freestanding squats, deadlifts, or anything. They're all on Smith machines, so they're attached to this bar setup. So that's kind of, oops, frustrating because you can't do a freestanding squatting or anything. But anyway, I just was making the most of it. And what was really weird was, again, the lack of muscle strength I have. So I got on one of my old favorite machines, a leg extension machine, and then a leg curl machine because I have a hamstring kind of little injury, and I'm trying to make it better here at home by stretching and trying to work on it. And it's getting a little better, but I really want to build strength in my hamstring glutes again. And boy, when I got on those machines, I realized how weak those muscles have become. Wow. Especially the leg curl machine where you sit on the machine. So here's your head, here's your back, and then the seat, and then you put your feet under this part, and then you lift it up. Oh, that's the leg extension. Leg curl is you put the weight on the bottom and you curl your legs back. So it works your hamstring and glute, curling your legs back, the weight on the here, so you have to push with your hamstrings and glutes. I am so weak right now because I haven't been doing that. I used to do that like at least once a week. So I really want to build back those muscles again. I think that'll really help and really help my running, and it'll really help my overall physique again. I used to do bodybuilding, and now those muscles haven't been worked in a long time. So anyway, I'm sweating because I have all these layers on and my new shirt from I have a tank top underneath, but that wasn't a very good video, so I might do this again. Okay, bye.